you can automate your responses through API, and you'll get this complete dashboard to manage your chats and things like through API. So this is basically provided by WhatsApp itself, and we are just providing the API to control all the things. Okay. So as you can see the interface here, see, this is the chat section. Okay. So once you are connected to API, you'll get to see your interface like this, and whatever the messages you are receiving on your API number will be showing here like this. So it's totally not a different thing other than WhatsApp, but yeah, it's little bit complex, like us slightly. So the main feature of the API is to get send broadcast messages and to automate your responses by using the chatbot. And the thing is this is particularly an add-on on that. Okay. So like in the chat section, it's not that much smooth as compared to WhatsApp, but yeah, the thing is it's just to keep an eye whether you are able to uh, manage your businesses messages properly or not. So just as you can see, this is a chat that I have opened just now, and there is chat section here. I can just reply whatever I wish to, and if I wish to start a new chat, then I'll need to tap here and select a number. Let's say I'm choosing this 5863. So this is the number I selected here. The thing is this is basically a limitation of a API. Basically, I'm just not telling that it is a bad thing, but yeah. So in case if you want to start a new chat in API, you'll need to go with the template message. Okay, you cannot use a direct message to send to any number. So in this case, I'm just choosing a particular template here. Let's say I choose this one and I send it to the number. See, so this message got sent to this number, and the chat is still locked. So the thing is, in API, you are able to send template messages only to the new numbers. But if the number will reply you back, that particular user will reply you back. Let's say I am replying hi from that number, and see, the chat gets unlocked here. So it depends on the user whether to chat with this particular company or not. You can just throw the template messages to them. Okay. After that, you get to see these two things here: mine and unassigned. Okay. So let's say you are working with five more people along with you, and they are sharing the same dashboard. Okay. So as you can see, I'm just showing it to you. Here we have these many people working together on the same dashboard. This is the particular unified number, and all other people will be able to use this number to access this dashboard. Okay, this is called multi-agent dashboard. Okay, so once I'm using my dashboard currently, in case let's say Mayank uses his dashboard, then I can basically assign this chat to Mayank. Let's say I'm assigning this chat to Mayank. Okay. So he will be able to see this particular chat in his mind section. Okay. So this is how chat gets assigned to other people. Let's say this is some complex chat that I'm not able to handle. Then I'll just assign it to other agents working together. Okay. Unassigned are those chats which are not assigned to anyone. These are some chats those are new chats basically. So you'll get to see in this section. After that, there are things like labels is just to tag your customer with a label that what's the state of that customer. Let's say this customer is really interested in our business and he wants to know about it even more, then I can label him from here. After that, once I have labeled multiple agents there, then I'll be able to search it from here. Let's say I go for desktop activation. Okay, so these many people like have been tagged with this particular label. Okay, so as just like this you can filter all the labels. Okay, after that you get to see channels here. Channels means basically the numbers that you add to the dashboard. So we have currently added two numbers to single dashboard, that's why you are able to see two channels here. So as you can see here, I'll show it to you. Channels, see, these are the two numbers that got connected to our dashboard. After
Wait,
that,
Suryanshu, these are basically our API numbers which we have connect with Meta, and anyone who wants to send message to these numbers, we will get to know or get to see in our chat section. So these are the API numbers which we are calling as a channel. Okay.
definitely. I'm just saying that like this is single dashboard and we have added multiple numbers here, like two numbers for example. So whatever the chats we are receiving on these particular numbers, we'll be able to see it here, and we can actually choose by which we want to send bulk messages as well, like bulk or chat messages. So after that we get to contacts here. So this is something like whenever you chat with any particular number or multiple numbers, all the numbers that you have chatted earlier will appear here. Okay, so currently we have like 5672 numbers that are all in the chat section. Okay, you can even import more contacts from here or create contacts from here. Okay, after that there's filter section, you can filter the contacts from here or search it directly from here. So like this is something that's really helpful as well. So let's say I like remember the name of any particular user here, and I want to search about the state of that user. So that I'll just search it from here, and I'll just pick that user and tap on action button. Then I'll get to see what's the state of that user. If there is any label, any issue happening, it will like reflect here. Okay, after that this is the like most demanding feature of the API basically. So this is called broadcast feature. Like you can send broadcast messages through API on WhatsApp, like from here. So broadcast messages means like you'll be able to send a single message to particular multiple numbers. Let's say I want to target up to 10,000 numbers in one go. Then I'll just write my promotional message, and then I'll just select those numbers, and I'll just tap on send button here. Then all the messages will get delivered to those selected numbers. For example, I'm just showing a past campaign. See, so we targeted 305 people. Success was 300, and five got failed for some reason. It could be like they wouldn't be in WhatsApp, or their number might be not in use or something like that. So you get to see the complete report here, and after that you can even download the report from here. So I'll show how it's done from here. I'll need to tap on create campaign. Then you can name your campaign from here. Like you can edit it by your choice. After that, you can just select the number from here, the channel basically. So here. After that, just as I told you earlier, you cannot send a direct message to any particular new number. Okay. So in this case, we are targeting all the new numbers basically. So we'll need to select a template only. So I selected a template here. After that you need to select the contacts. So contacts should be like in CSV file, and the format should be like this. Then only it will work. Otherwise, like if you put a random number like +91, or before you miss the country code before the number, then it wouldn't work like that. So this should be the format. After that you can import from here, and you'll need to save it from here after that. But for example, I'm showing it from here. For example, let's say I just tap on, this is basically the contacts that we are chatting currently, okay, in the chat section 5672. I'm selecting those contacts from here. It's taking a while, I guess, because of the numbers. It's quite big. Yeah. So as you can see, I have selected all the numbers here, and I'll need to tap on save. See, I have created a campaign here. Like I'm targeting 5,672 people, and this is my basically message here, and this is the channel through which I am sending the message. The agent who has created this campaign is Suryanshu, that's me, and the status is currently draft. Once I'll tap on this action button, it will get sent to all of the selected users. Okay, so currently I just wanted to show it to you. So currently I'll just delete it because I don't want like
I will show you
this
the
hello world message to get delivered to this kind of these many people. So yeah, so this is how actually the broadcast feature works. And after that we have chatbots. So this is another most demanding feature of the API. So what it basically does is it automates your responses. Let's say a user comes to you with a particular query, and like he's asking about WhatsTool mobile application or WhatsTool desktop application. Then the chatbot will keep guiding him throughout the process. Like this is how our chatbot works. This is the main feature of the WhatsTool mobile app. These are the pricing available for upgradation, and there are a lot of things you can add. I'll just show a particular chatbot. Like this is this is the working chatbot for our company. So as you can see, the first message here that we created is like this: welcome to WhatsTool Tech. This is the header. The body is like this: mobile app, desktop app, WhatsTool business. Business means like the API thing. After that we have added three buttons here: mobile app, desktop app, and the business app. So let's say a user says hi, he will get to see this message at first. Okay, after that he can select by tapping on the buttons, available buttons here. So I just as I told you, he selects the virtual mobile app, for example. Then this thread is connecting to this one, so this message will get triggered after tapping on this button. Okay, so he taps on mobile app, then he'll get to see this message. What he wants to know, either he'll select bulk messaging premium feature or payment issue, something like that. Let's say he taps on bulk messaging. Okay, then we'll send like this message after tapping on bulk messaging button. So after that just like this we have created a complete chain. You can add anything here, like with whatever your preferences are, you can just add it here. And after that you can create a complete chain out of chatbots, like out of messages, and uh, make like it's limitless. There is no limitation that you can add like this only 4 or 5 messages. You can create it as long as you wish. Okay, even after that, like if you want to interconnect two particular chatbots, then even you can do so. So like for example, I have created this user onboarding chatbot here, and I just want to connect it to other chatbot like e-commerce or something like that. Then I'll just get the button ID from here, and I'll just connect it to the second one. I'll just not explain that currently because it would be really hectic to understand these things. now. So I'll just explain the it in easiest way possible. So basically that's how chatbot works. So for example, I'll just yeah. So these are the main features that I explained you. After that, you get to see the settings option here. In that, you get to see the channels. You can add the channel from here, the API numbers here. First, you'll need to create the API on the meta page of the Facebook. After that, you'll need to connect it to our dashboard. After that, you will be able to see the numbers here. So after that, there's
And
agents.
Suryanshu,
You can,
Suryanshu,
yeah,
please go back to channels.
okay.
Without creating channel, you won't be able to access our this tool. The, it should be connected with Meta. Uh, then only you can create and do any actions on our tool, like getting messages, creating bots, testing bots, anything you want to do. Now you have to create a channel first. So after creating the after converting your WhatsApp number, any WhatsApp number which you want to use as a business, for for a business, you have to connect with Meta.
Pardon, pardon. Sorry for the interruption. Basically, we cannot use any WhatsApp number here. It should be like a number that shouldn't be connected to any WhatsApp. You need to use any number
Later
that
on they
shouldn't be.
allow, later on they allowed, if you are using any number, you can convert it into a API number, but after creating, you won't be able to access via your phone. Okay, because video calling feature and calling feature are disabled after calling, after enabling, after converting that number into a API. If you want to get messages, want to know which user is giving you a messages, you have to use any kind of dashboard like we have created. So yeah, Suryanshu, carry on.
So, just as he explained, the thing is like you cannot use any number that's already linked to any WhatsApp.
Like we are using now that the testing number in
Yeah,
the
yeah.
testing environment, we have connected the number which is used by Raja.
Mm-hmm.
So they later on they allowed to any number you can convert into API number, but after that you won't be able to access via your phone.
These are the numbers that we are using for API,
Ha
and
ha ha.
if I wish to connect it to the WhatsApp, I can
Ha.
do so.
No.
No, so that's what I'm saying.
After converting into API, you won't be able
That's
to.
that
Ha.
that's it. That's what I'm saying. Once you create the API using that particular number, you won't be able to revert it back. Like you cannot create any particular WhatsApp through that particular number. Okay.
Means the whole conversation based on through WhatsApp to WhatsApp. Once business created his number into API, and user are able to send messages
So
to that
let's say
API
I'll
number.
make it completely short. For example, you are using WhatsApp on your mobile phone, and this is particular something called WhatsApp API. So these two things are not discrete. These two things are totally same basically. The thing is difference in features only. So for example, you are using a number for your WhatsApp on your mobile phone, and you want the same number to use on another phone. In that case, WhatsApp will not allow you to use the same number on another phone for using WhatsApp. Similarly, this is called WhatsApp API, so this is nothing else but WhatsApp. Okay, so you cannot use the same number on two WhatsApps, just like that. So if I have connected this number to API, will not be able to use it on my WhatsApp number. That's it. So after that, we have agents here. So you can the owner can only add the agents here. So just in case I'm using my account for now, that's why I'm not able to see the button here to add agents. But if Mayank will enter using his API, then he will be able to add agents here. So the thing is whoever the owner of the API is, who for with from the channel we have created. we have added this number by using Mayank's ID. So that's why he's the owner and we are the admin. So only he will be able to add the admins here. After that, we have labels. Labels can be added by anyone, and this is just to denote the state of the customer. We have lot of labels here. See, uh, the user is not interested. I'll just tag him with this label. Already premium. I'll just tag him with this label so that I can later on filter the category of the users. There, after that, we have custom fields. This is slightly like uh, difficult to understand for most of the people. So I'll just make it easier. This is a higher version of labels, slightly complex. And this basically justifies the state of the customer in different sections. Let's say a user is asking for a call support, then I'll just add the call state custom field that he wants to receive a call. Then after that, I'll just when someone calls from our team, then I'll just switch it to another state that's called let's say call is done, something like that. I can add multiple sections in this, so that this will just tell about the state of the user in more described way. That's how it is basically. This is the quick reply. So uh, I guess you guys would be friendly with the mobile app, business mobile app. In that, you get to see this quick reply section. So this is basically what is does let's say your users are repeating the same queries again and again. They are asking about the chatbot every single day, and you want to create a message that will allow you to send it without typing it again and again. Then you can just create the quick reply from here, and you can just tap on like this. I'll show it to you. For example, we have created multiple quick replies there for different queries. So I can just select it from here, and it will get sent to the particular user. It basically saves your time to not to write the same query again and again, same answer again and again. Then this is the media section. This is basically the thing that let's say if you want to send an image to a user or a video or any file, then firstly you'll need to upload it to the dashboard here. Then only you will be able to select that to send to any user. Okay. This is API integration. This is something like uh, you can integrate other platforms to the same dashboard. Let's say for example Shopify, that's way too popular, and you can actually create your shop online using the Shopify web application or something like that. So let's say you have created your shop on Shopify and you want to integrate to it to our dashboard, so that you'll be able to see the notifications, what's the state of the your order, order has been placed, or it's it's on the way for delivery or something like that. You will get to see all the updates in here about the Shopify, or there are multiple other applications. For example, I'll get here Zoho, Shopify, Zapier, etc. You can just integrate all these applications through here. So that's how it basically was. Meng, hello.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah. So do you have like anything else to in this like?
No, no, nothing else.
Okay, okay.
We
So
have created like things like Google Sheet integration and one more, but
huh.
we haven't connected. We haven't published it.
Okay, okay.
After that, we will show them.
Okay, okay, okay. So yeah. So after that, this is your profile section. This is your private thing that other people will not be able to see. So you can enter your name here, business name here, business website, and the email address. Email address is basically your
कौन सा चीज?
ID, yeah, by which you log into the dashboard. Okay. Here is your password section. If you
You
want
may
to change it,
you may
it
change your password as per your
uh-huh.
requirement. Ah, you
Yeah,
can
yeah,
yeah, you can change your password as per
yeah.
your
This
requirement.
here, like uh, this is the plan scheme of our like API. So we have three sections: monthly, quarterly, and yearly. So one can just purchase according to the need of his business or anything. Like he can just check the plan details by tapping here. That what will he get in that plan? So he can just check it here. Like in growth plan, we are getting these many things unlocked. Then chatbots, broadcast, unlimited event hooks, so many things like that. So he can just check it out here and purchase it accordingly. After that, we have compared it here, like what we are providing and what other companies are providing. Like we are providing
Like
these
you
many
have to
things in
use to
just
with this page.
1938
You
Indian
have to
rupees,
friendly
and
with this
these
page.
are way too costly, I guess. So yeah, these are some blogs or FAQs you can read here. After that, we have add-ons here. Add-ons is similar to like the geo add-ons that we get to see. You must be familiar with that. Uh, let's say your message credit gets exhausted and you want to add on without like recharging again, then you can just purchase this from here and it will get added to your balance. After that, we have this thing. This is called WhatsTool Business Quick Setup. This is what we guys do basically. So, if one wants to get integrated or get onboarded to the API, then he will need to purchase the setup plan from here. Once he purchases the setup of 999, he'll get the setup, complete setup done by me and Shubham, in which we explain the same things that I explained to you guys. And yeah, I'll just not get to that part, the complete setup part. For now, I'm just explaining the features and things. This is the logout button. I guess you must be familiar with that. Yeah, that's it for now. Like these are all the features of the API that I just explained.
Okay. Later on, I will give you some more use cases. ठीक है?
Okay.
तो कोमल और सूर्यांश शुभम, आप लोग को सिंक हो गया आपस में इंफॉर्मेशन जितना सूर्यांशु ने कन्वे किया.
Yes, sir.
हम्म.
Yes, sir.
ओके. तो ठीक है. यहाँ तक तो आप लोग के लिए जितना इन्फॉर्मेशन जरूरी था वो तो हो गया. अब जो भी टेक्निकल पार्ट होंगे जो मैं टीम के साथ अभी डील कर लूँगा. बाकी आप लोग को सिंक होना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी था. ठीक है. डैशबोर्ड से अभी कुछ देर में आई विल publish the new some features and then I will inform you people. ठीक है. उसके बाद कुछ
Okay,
आप
sir.
लोग को इश्यू होगा तो पिन मी आफ्टर दैट.
Okay.
और
Okay, sir.
So, mhm.
अभी हम लोग शुभम और सूर्यांशु अभी हम लोग
हाँ,
प्राइसिंग के लिए कुछ करने जा रहे हैं.
अच्छा अच्छा.
बिकॉज जिनका जिनका प्लान मंथली चल रहा है मे
हम्म.
बी 10 of few people have exhausted their plan. So later on we will give him a notification like like showing a error message or a strip over there
Okay.
and showing a dialog button. ठीक है. These two features we already implemented but not properly handled. तो ये सारा कुछ करके मैं बताता हूँ. अभी तो एक यूआई जो अभी तक का जो लास्ट स्प्रिंट का है वो अपडेट जाएगा. और उसके बाद फिर ये प्राइसिंग वाला हम लोग का प्रायोरिटी पे है कि जिनका इनका प्लान खत्म हो गया है वी शुड नोटिफाई देम, है ना,
Okay.
बाय शोइंग नोटिफिकेशन बार ऑन द टॉप. और किसी पार्टिकुलर सेक्शन में उनका अगर लिमिट एग्जॉस्ट हो गया है देन वी विल शो अ डायलॉग बटन ओवर देयर दैट
Okay.
you have reached the limitation. ठीक है. ठीक है. तो ये सारा कुछ अभी इस वीक का प्लान है। तो जो भी होगा उसके बाद फिर किसी एक पर्सन के साथ सिंक हो जाऊंगा, फिर है ना, फिर आप लोग आपस में है ना पर्सनल लेवल पे सिंक हो जाना।
सो
ठीक है।
बेसिकली एक क्वेश्चन है कि हम्म, एक कमल अग्रवाल करके कोई यूजर है हमारे, तो उनका क्या हुआ है कि एग्जॉस्ट हो गया है यहाँ पे पूरा, ठीक है,
हम्म हम्म
चैट
हम्म
वाला।
हम्म
तो वो कार्ड उन्होंने ऐड कर लिया है बेसिकली
हम्म।
बिजनेस मैनेजर पेज पे, फिर भी उनका ऑटोमेट नहीं हो रहा है उसके आगे।
ठीक है, सर ने बताया है, हम लोग पर्सनल लेवल पर उसको हैंडल करेंगे अभी। पहले
ओके।
अभी सुजीत सर अभी थोड़ा सा फ्री हो जाते हैं, उसके बाद मैं उनसे डिस्कस कर लेता हूँ। अभी
ठीक।
एक्चुअली क्या है ना कि ये बैकएंड से रिलेटेड कोई भी इशू होगा तो अनिमेश इज़ नॉट देयर।
ओके
ठीक है,
ओके ओके।
उनका थोड़ा सा तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, तो आज थोड़ा सा ना लाइटली चलेगा। मतलब बैकएंड वाला काम होगा तो थोड़ा सा, अगर वर्क फ्रॉम होम होगा तो चंदन भैया विल हेल्प अस।
हाँ हाँ।
तो
ठीक
कल से
चलेगा।
हम लोग कोई भी चीज़ रहेगा बैकएंड रिलेटेड तो वी विल कंटिन्यू।
ओके ओके।
ओके ओके
ज़्यादा बड़ा इशू होगा तो देखेंगे। ठीक है।
ओके।
ओके।
ठीक है कोमल।
Okay, sir.
ओके बाय।
Bye,
बाय
sir.
शुभम, बाय सूर्यांशु।
बाय
बाय
बाय।
सर।
थैंक यू।
Bye, sir.
टेस्टिंग पे तो सारा कुछ लाइव है ना एज ऑफ नाउ, जितना डेवलपमेंट हुआ है। तो ट्रेडिशनली व्हाट वी डू, लाइक ना, बिफोर एपीआई कम्स, तो like anyone who wants to get the messages from his user, any businesses wants to, they what have they created, they create a business account. And the limitations was there, like multi-agent support is not there. And if 10 people he hired for a customer support, the same login credentials are not to be shared along with the team. So that's why this API comes into space. तो फिर उसके बाद फिर क्या हुआ कि मल्टी एजेंट सपोर्ट आ गया। मल्टी एजेंट सपोर्ट, द एपीआई लॉन्चेस द मल्टी एजेंट सपोर्ट arrived. Multi channel means I own the business and I have two businesses. Like later on, like we also saw, two numbers we have in production. So for WhatsTool app and WhatsTool business we have two separate channels. ठीक है। तो those who have the users who have issue with the 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 app which is live on Google Play Store, they communicate with that number. And those who wants API, any information like related to API, they will communicate with us with that number, the new number. So these two facilities are added, multi agent support are added, custom fields are similar to like our contact. Like we save number, like we save number and number with name in our phone. What we do further, like this is my mom's number. Here I can add much more things like work information, address, important dates, relationship, website, many more things. That is similar to custom fields. Like number and name is similar. Anything as per your business you want to save the user information. Any business wants to save, like a medical company, they wants to save their blood groups, anything related to medical terms. They can create a custom field, and as per their custom field they can create information user by user, है ना। So this is the custom field scenario. And chatbot comes into space, like um, if if someone just say hi to our number, to our channel number, and if we place hundreds of sales member to customer support number, that would be a hectic. So later on we have created a chatbot. if someone's try to if someone's just put a hi message, we will trigger a bot which is, I'll show you the whole scenario. Hmm, like from creation. Okay, this would be an interactive message. I will tell you and I'll show you how it looks like. This is the number which we have connected in our testing environment. है ना? Like see, we have connected this number, converted this number to to API. लाइट चला गया यार, प्लस यहाँ पे लाइट चला गया. प्लीज कम क्लोजर. अभी क्या होगा, आप लोग सब लोग इंटरनेट भी okay. Like we are going to start the conversation. Like someone's type like hello buddy. ठीक है, we will trigger this number, this message, like just and wait for इंटरनेट ऑन नहीं हुआ क्या आशीष आपका? आशीष इंटरनेट ऑन नहीं है क्या आपका? This is the starting node where the message gets started. Okay, like we'll type here hi buddy. See, nothing happens. Okay, so what we have to do, firstly we have to make it live and then go back and be just enable it to our channel. By enabling into channel, now we can see the message will get triggered. See, from here onwards the message will get started, and later on we can provide some more we will give some more information here and show our information to users which has just message text message. अब जितने ही बटन्स यहाँ पे ऐड हो जाएंगे we can give we can only provide 3 buttons only here according to meta rules. ठीक है, So after clicking on the first button, we will throw this information, and the second button, when it get tapped, will show the another message. Okay, so here information is showing link is missing, okay. So we have to choose image from here, and video, any video we have, make it safe. Just edit the button title like image. You have to understand it well. I'll give you this small use case. Later on you can visit our another bots to understand. Okay, we can again start our conversation by typing hello buddy. Like if we tap an image, the image will come, and if someone's tap on video, then the video will come. That's how, see, human interaction will get abolished here. Like we have created a chain of information, like if users the cases which are predetermined, on that information we can create a bot, and for that and for sending those messages, we don't have to include any person to send the same messages again and again. The bot will handle it by itself. Okay, so for having a predetermined information, we can create a bot, and we have some more features, like anyone can subscribe it, unsubscribe it, and the actions we have here, like subscribe, unsubscribe, set custom field. If we pass information here, enter your name, and then we will attach um, uh, action snippet over there, and we can save their custom information on our contact sheet. Okay, now later on I will show you. Okay, so this is the complete scenario. The chat you have understand now. Okay, the quick reply which Suryanshu is discussing, like how it work. By tapping, the message will set here, and now you can send. See, okay. So if you are if businesses have to send same messages again and again, they have created, they just have to create a quick reply and use it. Okay, here you can start a new conversation. uh, like you have noticed that time here, it is like decreasing, like what Meta has set some rules, like 24 hours time slot. Like if business wants to communicate with user, there is no such way to communicate. If businesses wants to initiate, they has to create a template which is created on Meta platform and verified from Meta, then only he can communicate with user, है ना. उस फिर भी वो जो मैसेज का वो जो जो लॉक है वो इनेबल नहीं होगा. If user reply back to that template, or not by the मतलब कि वो send नहीं भी किया है, if user initiated any messages to business, the chat will open for 24 hours gap. Okay, if business wants to send a message after the 24 hours, then he has to send a template message, then only we can, and then only business can communicate with user. ठीक है, तो ये बैरियर है. to decrease the spam by throwing lakhs of messages to bluntly with users, है ना. अब वो भी जो टेम्पलेट होगा it should be verified by Meta itself, then only the template will show here after gets verified. Okay, the creation of a template is also your part, like how to create a template and how to get verified, you know, those information you have to handle. If any users like later on, previously last 2 weeks we have a issue like those who have created account in Meta, their template wouldn't be get verified by some issues, by some grammatical mistakes, anything else, that template will not get verified. Even our in testing environment, animes ID we are using, meta ID we are using, that should be also that could not be verified. So we also facing issue. So there should be an error. We have to understand what are the uh, steps by steps, for steps to create a template or not to do anything which leads to get not verified anything else. ठीक है, तो इसको अंडरस्टैंड करना है आप लोग को वेरी प्रॉपरली. ठीक है, आपका पार्ट नहीं होगा, बट इनका पार्ट होगा. ठीक है, बट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर द टोटल कंप्लीट सिनेरियो. ठीक है, तो आपका तो सारा जगह मतलब हस्तक्षेप रहेगा. ठीक है. बर्थडे बॉय मिसिंग है. क्या आप हिमांशु समझ रहे हैं ना? अब तो फर्दर कुछ चीज़ें आपको मालूम है.
ये you will show it again on how to do the template.
If 24 hours slot is over.
No, like how to connect with Meta and how to show it me again.
Suryanshu will show how to convert any number to an API, you three of guys be there. If Suryanshu will show you how to go to Meta dashboard and create any number to a Meta to an API. ठीक है, तो वो इन्फॉर्मेशन सूर्यांशु आपको फर्दर बेटर एक्सप्लेन कर पाएंगे, because Meta wants to change his dashboard on daily basis. They do in daily some UI changes over there. So the person who do daily he will only explain you better, है ना, कि how to convert. बोलिए. टीपू कहाँ? अच्छा, कौन सा बैंक है? बैंक ऑफ इंडिया है ना, वहाँ पे चले जाइए, वहाँ का गार्ड हेल्प कर देगा. हाँ, वहाँ डाल दीजिए. वो गार्ड है क्या वहाँ पे? गार्ड तो किसी का हेल्प ले लीजिए ना, वहाँ पे किसी का हेल्प ले लीजिए, वहाँ तो नहीं बता पाएंगे इसमें. वो बता देगा. न्यू क्रिएट करना है. पापा सुनिए. हेलो. हेलो. बैंक बगल में है ना, वहाँ पे चाहिए. कोई स्टाफ से हेल्प ले लीजिए, ज़्यादा बेटर होगा. ठीक है. तो ये API का क्रिएशन सूर्यांशु विल शो यू हाउ टू, है ना. टेम्पलेट का क्रिएशन जो भी होगा, जो इन्फॉर्मेशन होगा, या तो अनिमेश या सूर्यांशु विल आल्सो हेल्प यू. ठीक है. ये बाकी दिस, if you have any queries along with this dashboard, I will help you. ठीक है. Anything else, anything which is related to this UI and this tool, I'll help you. ठीक है. तो ये कंप्लीट सिनेरियो है स्पैमिंग को रोकने के लिए, कि 24 आवर का टाइम स्लॉट, और जो 24 आवर्स का जो टाइम स्लॉट है, इट विल गेट कंसिडर द लास्ट मैसेजेस ऑफ कम फ्रॉम द यूज़र. ठीक है. लेटर ऑन आई विल शो यू. देखिए 2358 हो रहा है यहाँ पे। See, 2351, ठीक है। I'm texting to that message. See, see, it will get change to 24 hours 23 है ना। The last message when I write ना that our calculation after यहाँ से 24 hours तक business can send messages, any messages business can send here है ना। सो ये आपका पूरा ये चैट का मेन बैरियर है, ठीक है। ये टेम्पलेट एंड दिस 24 आवर टाइम स्लॉट, ठीक है। कॉन्टैक्ट तो आप लोग समझ गए, कॉन्टैक्ट में नो इश्यूज, एनीथिंग यू हैवंट अंडरस्टैंड, ओके ना। after using this tool you get to know more things, and if any issues you have then you can tell me, each one of you, ठीक है। I will create a campaign in front of you to show, like please do message to this number, like save a number, save this testing number and do message to text message, any message to this number. I will show you how campaign will work. 8877 8877 151308, ठीक है। this logo will appear in chat. Save this number, WTB testing. The dashboard which Suryanshu is showing that is the production environment, and I'm showing the environment which is testing.
8877151308.
8877151308.
88771508.
हाँ, text to
Logo is official. Is it?
to message. Double 8877151308.
Same.
8877151308.
सही होना चाहिए मैसेजेस।
इन्हें किया था मैंने पहुंचा
मैंने भी किया।
नहीं आ रहा मैसेजेस।
has been delivered.
Yeah.
सक्सेसफुल लास्ट में टेस्टिंग का 856 गलत नंबर।
ओ गलत नंबर मैंने दे दिया। 799 799 24 856
24
799 24 35 35856 799 24 35856। This one. Got na? Vidya? 7992435856 text message.
Now it come.
Mamta. This is Vidya.
Shashikar.
Shashikiran. This is Vidya.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm adding a label. Testing. Three of you. See, you will get a template. इंटरनेट बहुत स्लो है यार. ठीक है. Here we can give a campaign name. Selecting a channel, and the template which is showing here now, these all are verified. Here you have the information. Only approved templates are listed below. ठीक है. जो template वहाँ आप create कर लोगे, that the है ना, after getting verified it will show you. Okay. So I am selecting message like this one. Here we have two way to select contacts by importing your CSV, or by doing filter in your list, in your contact list. So I'm doing the another way, like selecting contacts. ठीक है. by by testing label. ठीक है. In which testing is included. ठीक है. Then we apply filter. 12 contacts are there. Select contact, or any if you want to apply any more filters, like do some stuff with do some matches with custom field, created at last scene, anything else है ना. As per your requirement you can do filter over here. Select these 12 contacts will get this template message after running the campaign, and do save. The template which I have selected na, it contains only one image. है ना. I will show you another example in which custom variable are there. Okay. So I'm just enabling this campaign. This is the draft mode. Now are you sure you want to start the campaign? Yes. You all get messages. Do reply to that template. Just write some stuff, anything, ABCD, कुछ भी, nothing else. Just do reply. If you um, stay outside the chat, you will get a notification like this, and pop-up notification, toast notification. ठीक है. All you get. Now we see the analytics, like the channel which we have selected, the messages which we are getting from this number. ठीक है. To these WhatsApp, these are the user WhatsApp, this column. Text reply, those who sended the reply are shown below. ठीक है. In this column. Send date, deliver date, status. If any errors occur, that should get mentioned over here. ठीक है. By tapping on this you can see the separate sections and these are messages which get success, no failure, no data found in this report. How much gets sent, how much get delivered. These four are these four people read the messages. These three people who have replied, okay, and what they replied, that also shown here. Okay, later on just tap on the buttons which you have get. Tap any button. Done. Somehow it will not get reflected. Okay, I'll show you. Now do some another campaign in which we have some variables like this way. Hi dear, put your something, anything else. Okay, these are the custom variable. If we didn't have any information from user like these three variables, then we will send message along with these variables like hi dear. If I know your name, the message will converted into hi Mamta, hi Shashi. And we have if we in the case we have we didn't have any your number in our database, then we will send with along with this dear. These are the default variables which we have set. If we have the information, we'll set to go, and if we not, then we will just apply the default variable over there and just send it out. Okay, select template. Now here we also provide download sample. In the case when you want to send CSV, here we are showing sample CSV. You can download it, edit it, and just upload it here. Okay, now we'll do the same. Testing included and apply filter. Okay, 12 contacts. Okay, these are the 12 contacts. Now we have one more step, like we have to map, like in custom field what you want to send respective to dear. Like we have to send a message as select a name, Anna, from cake, anything like just email ID, what you want, and as per your requirement you can choose. I am sending bluntly. Okay, anything.
This will be preloaded or not?
Preloaded. If we have the information in our custom field along as per your WhatsApp number, we just apply that, and if we not, just we supply the default variable over there. Okay. That's how we are taking the default variables from the user, है because if we didn't give the default variable, it will get stuck in sending. The API will get stuck. Okay, that's why. So here we have just mapped that dear to name, the second variable to email, third variable to website URL. Okay, okay. If we have, like I have in my case, it gets changed to my details like hi Mayank, hi email ID, and like in your case it's the default variable which you have get now. In my case it has the information, so it gets changed as per our DB, है in your case we don't have the information, so you have get the not default variables over there. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से ये पूरा सिनेरियो काम करता है completely. ठीक है, इसमें कोई इशू? ठीक है, चैटबॉट तो समझ गए. Settings में these are the not a very good setting which we have offered. Like you have wherever you want to create a channel, you can create, you can add agents, labels. Here you Vidya, you have to understand now, these are the limitations, like which the businesses which get enrolled now, there are some limitation, they have to like the plan which they are buying now, they have only access to create only one channel as per their plan, है ना. You have to understand, ठीक है. The agents creation of multi agents, it also has a limit, like 10 agents, 5 agents, and it has the limit as per your plan. In our case it is unlimited for testing, है ना. But in the case we are testing the limitation, we also apply the limitation over here, ठीक है. Custom field, each and every section has its limitation as per their plan, ठीक है. In our case for testing we have applied the unlimited access, but है ना, quick reply also, media, we are just give this media option over here. Previously it was not there, but we have just give a separate section for showing a media, like for this feature user wants to copy the URL, so that's why. And later on we will also give a template section over, just to see what are the templates which we have created, and which gets active, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, approved, ठीक है. API integration the same, another apps will get access to our dashboard and via this, है ना. App integration which we are right now, Assess is working on. Google Sheet integration is done, Shopify in the process, and Razorpay in the process, ठीक है, under the process. So later on, after 2 weeks, within 2 weeks, or within this week, we will at least in मे बी यार, अगर ढंग से बना हुआ है, बट अगर वो रेडी हो गया तो वी विल लॉन्च गूगल शीट इंटीग्रेशन. इट्स रेडी बट नॉट गेट टेस्टेड, सो यू हैव टू डू टेस्टिंग, देन वी विल रिलीज इट, ठीक है. बहुत ज़्यादा इशू हो गया था. विदाउट टेस्टिंग क्या होता है ना, हम लोग जब बनाते हैं ना तो लगता है कि सब कुछ फर्स्ट क्लास है. वो जब एक पर्टिकुलर केस में स्टक होता है ना, तब मालूम चलता है क्या, फिर फटा, फिर यूज़र से मालूम चल रहा है. अब हम लोग घर चले गए, उधर से फटा, प्रोडक्शन फट गया, फिर रात को बैठना पड़ता है, चाहे कहीं भी बैठना पड़ता है, इश्यू होता है, तो हो जाता है. इसलिए टेस्टिंग बहुत ज़रूरी है, ठीक है. ठीक है, आप लोग यूज़ कीजिए टूल को एज़ पर योर ओन रिक्वायरमेंट्स, है ना. और कहीं पर भी इशू होता है डायरेक्टली कॉन्टैक्ट में, ठीक है. और आपको तो ईच एंड एवरी सेक्शन, आइदर इट इज़ UI और एनी डायनेमिक थिंग विच यू हैव सीन, यू हैव टू टेस्ट, ठीक है. मतलब कि आपको क्या क्या टेस्ट करना है मैं बताता हूँ. हिंदी समझते हो ना, अंडरस्टैंड ना. जैसे कि एक हमारी UI डिज़ाइनर मधुश्री डिज़ाइन करेंगे, UI बनाएंगे, ठीक है. आप लोग भी ध्यान रखिएगा, आप अभी हिमांशु अभी UI में काम कर रहा है, तो मधुश्री ने वेरिफिकेशन लिया सुजीत सर से, सुजीत सर ओके, ठीक है. हम लोग बनाने बैठते हैं, थोड़ा मोड़ा चेंजेस हो ही जाता है. अभी जब डिज़ाइन देखोगे ना, मधुश्री डिज़ाइन देनी है, मैंने बहुत सारा चेंज कर दिया है मैंने बहुत सारा चेंज, मतलब कुछ सिमिलर ही नहीं है, लगभग मैंने सब कुछ चेंज कर दिया है. तो मधुश्री, ठीक है. तो उससे क्या होता है ना कि जैसे कि आपने बना लिया UI, फिर आप सुजीत सर को दिखाओगे, सर सुजीत सर जब मैंने डेवलप किया तो दीज आर द इशू विच आई हैव फेस्ड, ठीक है. उससे क्या होगा, फीडबैक जाएगा मधुश्री के पास भी, यहाँ पर भी इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा, UI में भी इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा, सब जगह इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा, ठीक है. तो UI को भी टेस्ट करना है, आपको क्या करना है कि UI देखना है, जब टेस्टिंग होगा तो जो बना है वो भी देखना है, मिलाना है, क्या ना. अब समझना है कि जानबूझ के नहीं किया है वो सिमिलर काम, या फिर कुछ इशू था, तो विल गेट टू नो, है ना. तो वो सारा कुछ होगा, ठीक है. क्योंकि जब UI बनता है ना, अगर कोई भी टेक का पर्सन वहाँ नहीं रहेगा ना, तो बनने टाइम में कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ होगा, कंफर्म गड़बड़ होगा, ठीक है. तो फिल्टर बन रहा था ना, ये वाला सेक्शन, इसमें ये सेक्शन जो रिसेंटली बना रहा था मैं, लाइक लास्ट मंथ, दिस सेक्शन UI रेडी हो गया, मैं बनाने बैठा, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. later on we will apply some changes, एंड हाउ टू क्रिएट पूरा समझा। उसके बाद फिर एक दिन पूरा लग गया समय। तो जब यूआई बनता है ना, तो अगर वहाँ टेक का कोई बंदा नहीं है तो थोड़ा इशू हो जाता है, ठीक है, क्योंकि यूआई फिर बन जाता है फिर, तो ये मेहनत तो बढ़ जाता है। इसलिए टेक का बंदा कोई एक होना चाहिए जो डेवलप कर रहा है। एनी वन, इफ मी और हिमांशु या फिर आशीष वहाँ होंगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा। कोई भी एक आदमी वहाँ होंगे ज़्यादा बेटर होगा, क्योंकि आप फेस कर रहे होंगे इशू वहाँ से, है ना, कुछ मार्जिन पैडिंग इशू हो जाता है इमेजेस वगैरह में। तो और फिर जैसे कि मान लीजिए कि कुछ इमेजेस लग रहे हैं पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन में, वो नहीं लगे हैं, लगाए तो दिख नहीं रहे हैं, इस तरह का इशू, या फिर स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है, सबको गेट टू फिर अपना जितना फीचर है उसको हर पर्सपेक्टिव से चेक करना है, ठीक है। यूज़र जो नहीं भी कर सकता है ना, वो आपको करना है, वो आपको करना है, और करने के बाद देखना है कि क्या रिस्पॉन्स आता है। अगर फटेगा तो फिर बहुत बड़ा इशू है, ठीक है। हर हर पर्सपेक्टिव से चेक करना है, मतलब कि जो आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स होता है ना, वो केसेस को फाइंड आउट करना है, ठीक है। उसे उसे चेक करना, उससे हम लोग को बहुत हेल्प होता है लेटर ऑन। अगर हम लोग वो केसेस जान जाएंगे ना, तो हम लोग फिर आगे फर्दर उसको दिमाग में रखेंगे कि ये वाला को ऐसा हो सकता है, तो वो भी एक चेक लगा कर रखेंगे, ठीक है। इससे बहुत बड़ा फीडबैक मिलता है। तो ये आप ध्यान रखिएगा, आपको सारा चेक करना है हर पर्सपेक्टिव से, स्टैटिक और डायनेमिक दोनों, ठीक है। बाकी बैकएंड में एनिमेस विल गाइड यू बेटर, ठीक है। एनिमेस और चंदन बोथ ऑफ देम आर वर्किंग इन बैकएंड, दे विल गाइड यू बेटर, ठीक है। I'll only help you in UI section or a little bit in backend because I just started my backend learning, ठीक है। साइड से मैं कर रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा बढ़िया इंटरेस्टिंग कर रहा हूँ, बट अभी कम्प्लीटली जो गाइडेंस आपको है बैकएंड रिलेटेड, वो अनिमेश और चंदन भाई आपको दे पाएंगे, ठीक है। एनीथिंग यू वांट्स टू अंडरस्टैंड लेटर यू यूज द ऐप एंड देन कॉन्टैक्ट, ठीक है। आप लोग यूज़ कीजिए, यू गाइस यूज दिस टूल, एंड एनी इश्यूज विच यू हैव देन कॉन्टैक्ट मी, ठीक है।
अगर सर टेम्पलेट में से 3 लोगों को भेजना है तो कैसे?
टेम्पलेट सिर्फ 3 लोगों को भेजना है, तो पार्टिकुलर सिलेक्शन नहीं है, पार्टिकुलर सिलेक्शन नहीं है आपको। जैसे कि अगर आपको सिर्फ 3 लोगों को भेजना है तो सी एस बी क्लिक कर लीजिए, उसी 3 लोगों का इन्फॉर्मेशन पास ऑन कीजिए, वही 3 लोग को जाएगा।
CSV से करना होगा।
हाँ, सी एस बी से करना होगा। अगर फिल्टर यूज़ करना है तो फिर ये तो जिससे आप चैट कर रहे हैं दैट नंबर विल गेट एडेड इन आवर लिस्ट इन कॉन्टैक्ट ऑटोमेटिकली, ठीक है ना। एंड देन we haven't save your information, just you have texted over here that your 3 of them number are get saved है ना ऑटोमेटिकली, है ना। तो हम लोग अलग से करना नहीं पड़ा, जैसे ही आप लोगों ने मैसेजेस किया वो नंबर अपने आप सेव हो गया डेटाबेस में हमारा, तो वो अपने आप चेंज हो रहा है। अगर उसके बीच में आपको कैंपेन रन करना है उन कॉन्टैक्ट्स के बीच में, देन यू हैव टू डू फिल्टर।
तो CSV से
सी एस बी से करना है तो आपका सेलेक्टेड कॉन्टैक्ट्स हो गया, तो उसमें बहुत कुछ ब्लाइंडली होता है, ताकि हम 1 लाख नंबर लाएं और सी एस बी यहाँ अपलोड कर दिए, अब ब्लाइंडली चला दिए, उस तरह से ए पी आई बैन भी होता है, ये हुआ भी है फर्दर। आशीष
पर्सनली प्रॉब्लम निकाली थी सर।
ठीक है, अभी बात करते हैं थोड़ा सा। मैंने बहुत कुछ डिस्कस कर लिया है, पर तो कंफर्म होगा।
आ नहीं रहा सर।
चैनल आ ही नहीं रहा है, अच्छा ठीक है, देखता हूँ।